Om Shanti. Good morning. Essence of Sakar Murli, 19th July 2021. Essence. Sweet children, become detached from your bodies while alive. Become bodiless and remember the Father. This is known as dead silence. Question. On what basis do you children make your foundation strong? Answer. On the basis of purity. The purer your souls become, that is, the more you become real gold, the stronger you become. Baba is now laying such a strong foundation of self-sovereignty that no one can shake that foundation for half the cycle. No one can snatch away your kingdom. Song. Salutations to Shiva. The essence for dharana is, point number 1. In order to claim self-sovereignty, now make the foundation of purity strong. Just as the Father is the purifier, so become as pure as the Father. Point number 2. Stabilize yourself in your original religion of peace. Renounce body consciousness as much as possible and remain soul conscious. Practice remaining in dead silence, that is, practice becoming bodiless. Today's blessing is, may you die alive and with the awareness of your original and eternal form, become free from bondage and free others too. Again, may you die alive and with the awareness of your original and eternal form, become free from bondage and free others too. Just as the Father takes a body on loan and doesn't come into bondage, in the same way, you children who have taken the birth of dying alive, become free from any bondages of your bodies, sanskars and natures. You can adopt sanskars as and when you want. Just as the Father is free from bondage, so you too become free from bondage. First, stabilize yourself in the stage of the incorporeal world and then come down. Maintain the awareness of your original and eternal form. Perform actions while considering yourselves to be souls who have incarnated, and others will follow you. Slogan. To make the atmosphere powerful with your attitude of remembrance is real service of the mind. Again, to make the atmosphere powerful with your attitude of remembrance is real service of the mind. Om Shanti.